Hey, what's up, everyone? Thanks for joining my channel. This is Tez from Tez and Tech. And as you may or may not know, I am a new content creator, so I have been on a crusade to find the best audio solution and video solution. But right now, I'm just focused on audio because as far as my video solution, I'm using my iPhone camera, which is the best camera I own currently in this house. And obviously, hopefully, as the channel grows, I will get a better digital camera that will fit my needs. But for right now, this is more than enough. So as far as audio solutions, I tested out 3, or rather I tested out 2, and I want to test out the last one on this video. And the first one I tried out was a Deity camera. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna get the glare out of there. All right, and V-Mic D4 Mini, and there's a bigger version of this one, but the reason why I chose this one is because it came with actually some high marks from other content creators, and I see why, because this is truly plug and play. There's no frills to this thing. It doesn't come with batteries. Yeah, no batteries required, and it's just you basically plug and play. I mean, there's really no other way to chop that up. So this just did not work with my current setup because I like I mentioned before, I am recording most of my video content on my iPhone. So I had to deal with a lot of dongles and stuff like that, and it just was not working the way for what I currently needed. So the other solution I tried was a Bluetooth solution, and this is called Hollyland. This is what it looks like. And my only issue with this camera, or sorry, this microphone, was that it says in the box, easy to use, plug and play, and this was not my experience. The issue basically that I had was it comes with a 35 millimeter cable, and you are supposed to purchase the 35 millimeter to lightning adapter separately. So I did that, and I just got the Apple one because it's official, and I plugged that into my phone, and then I plugged the 35 millimeter into that dongle, and then the other portion to the receiver, and it just was not working. So finally, that led me to this DJI Mic. This is what it looks like right here, right? And if you may or may not know, DJI, they're actually in the business of making drones, and I did not know that they were in the business of making microphones. And I love my drone. I mean, I love it. I've crashed it maybe 5 times, probably more, but I'll stick with 5. And yeah, I mean, they have solid products, reliable products, and it was very surprising to me that they actually made microphones. Yeah, so I plan on actually doing an unboxing on this actual video here, and I want to compare this to my current solution. So right now I'm just using Pfeiffer USB mic. There's no frills to this setup. This is just basic, cheap setup. I think this Pfeiffer mic probably costs $50, maybe even less. With that said, stay tuned. So as promised, we have the DJI Mic, got the one transmitter and the one receiver. And so this is what we expect to see in the box. So, all right, so let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. And let's just see what's in here. So here we have the charging bag here. We have some documentation, and we get a nice sticker there. So that's awesome for them to provide us. So I'm just gonna toss this out, and we don't need this as well, so we'll take a look at that later. But it's awesome that they provide, I think it's a magnet, actual magnet, so that's pretty cool. All right, so this is the little case here, so we're going to open this up, and it looks like we have a zipper here. So these are the accessories. So we have the actual microphone jack right here, so that's cool. And we have, I'm not sure what this is. Let's take a look. It's kind of hard to get in. I believe this is the the adapter. not sure what that is, but put that right there. Toss this out, and we have, oh yeah, so here is the adapters. So we have the USB Type C. You see it kind of goes in a slot here, and then we have the lightning. So that's good to have there as well. All right, toss this stuff. Now this is the windscreen that you put on top of the microphone. And this is the transmitter and receiver right over here. So I'm gonna toss this trash over here. So let's get into here. So we have the transmitter, I believe. And so that's that. I'm sorry, this is the receiver. And we have the transmitter. So again, the transmitter is the microphone portion of it, and the receiver is what's receiving that signal. So, wow, look at that. So that's pretty lightweight. And here's the magnet that's attached to the back. Wow, that's a strong magnet, man. I gotta really take that off. So this is a closer look at what that is. So it's really small. So it's the palm of my hand right here. Palm of my hand right here. So it's pretty. This is really small, guys. So this is actually really nice. And it's the microphone right here. So the windscreen can go on top of it, I would imagine. Next though, so it like snaps right on there. So if you want to put it on your person, you can. But with everything together, that's the footprint right there. So not bad at all. And then you have some buttons right here. So it's the record button. I'm not sure what that is, so we'll find out. A power on and off button. This is the USB-C charging adapter right here. And then as far as the actual receiver, this is it right here. So again, you have to charge it here. Power button. You have the little thing with the DJI logo. Microphone input right here. You have output right here as well. And so say if I want to connect it to my phone, the idea is you just go ahead and slide this piece in here, or actually it's right here. So it actually has an arrow right there to slide it in. So let's go ahead and try that out. Maybe not. Or maybe we'll go this way, huh? There we go, the other way. There we go, it snaps right in. So there we go, so I just plug this into my phone, and then I should be able to start recording. Hey, so I'm back. So as you can see, I have the microphone set up right here. So I would say I'm really impressed by this microphone. Actually, prior to recording this video, I recorded some audio just to do some sound level checks, and out of the box, it really balanced out my volume levels. I have a deeper voice, so I'm really conscious of my volume, and I'm not really aware of it. So it was really nice. It wasn't too high, it wasn't too low. It was right in the middle, which is a sweet spot for my voice. I also noticed in the documentation that they said that you can turn this LED lights off or dim it, and it really wasn't a concern for me, but I can see that being a concern later down the road if I have a dark setting or dark background or whatever the case may be. I can see that being an eyesore, so that's good that they thought about that. I'm definitely going to use that later down the road, so that's a plus for me. I also really appreciated that on the receiver end that it's a digital display, and I can't show you that because this is connected to my phone currently, but on the digital display you can see like the volume levels of the audio, and that is really cool. I mean, you can see your volume quality prior to recording, and that's a really good thing. That's a big plus in my book. Yeah, I would say all in all, this is definitely what I was seeking. It's versatile, it's plug and play, and it's easy to use, more importantly. And yeah, but with that said, thanks again for giving me some of your time. If I added any value to your day, please give me a like. If you want to see my journey moving forward, please subscribe. I have a few things down the pipeline. I know we have the iPhone event coming out next week. I have a Google Fold that I'm going to get my hands on, that we're going to do an unboxing and a review of that. And yeah, some other things as well. But thanks again, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one.